Here's step-by-step tutorial video on how to enroll for the courses available on the Manage portal for teachers. Type manage.uolo.com in the search bar of the browser and press enter. A login page of Uolo Manage portal appear on the screen. Here, click on Login with Password option. Enter your registered email ID and password, then click on Login. Click on Training option from the tab on the left side of the screen. Now, click on the Courses option to open all available courses for you. This page will open up with all the available courses for the teacher. Then, click on Enroll to register for the course you want. After clicking on Enroll, this page will open up. Here, click on Register for free option to register for the course. Then, a pop-up will appear on the bottom right of your screen with a welcome message. Close the pop-up by clicking OK. Now, click Continue to open the course. Congratulations! You are successfully enrolled in the course.